you can also position your step ladder sideways so that you can access your work surface by just turning your body a little bit. So let's take a look at that. Now, what this allows me to do is get the working platform a lot closer to the thing that I'm working on, and sometimes that's useful. And it's as simple as climbing up, and now I can just rotate my body a little bit, and I'm right-handed, so I have positioned this so that I can climb and turn to the right, and now I have nice, easy access, and this is an ergonomic position. It's comfortable for me. Now, if you're left-handed, you may want to flip it around this way, so that when you climb, you're making a rotation to your left, and your left hand is your leading hand. So what you generally want to avoid is having to reach over your body with your dominant hand, because this is a more awkward position. So consider that when deciding which way to orient your ladder if you're kind of setting up with the sideways method. And of course, you also want to make sure that the ground is such that it can accommodate a safe setup one way or the other.